Hi guys, my name is Whitney Wiley and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a office makeover. So I have a little section in the downstairs portion of the house where I just have my desk and I do more paperwork type of things. So right now I'm using an old desk that was left there by someone else who used to work here. It's just like a plain glass desk with like black piping. So I wanted to try to make it a little more feminine, a little more me, basically. But I also didn't want to make it too girly. It is in the downstairs living area, so I didn't want it to be like sparkly glitter everywhere. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you a little clip of what the desk currently looks like. I'm pre-warning you right now, it looks like a hot mess. Like, there's crap everywhere. I have no drawers on this desk, so that's part of the issue because there's no storage. I'm gonna show you that clip and then I'm going to take the desk apart. I bought some gold spray paint from Michaels. I'll show you the brand. And I'm going to try to spray paint all of the black portions of the desk so that it just looks a little more on trend, shall we say. So I'm going to go out and spray paint that and then put the desk back together, reassemble it. And I bought a little bit of decor, not everything I need quite yet, but just a couple of things to try to enhance the desk area. So if you'd like to see the before and after of my desk situation, then please keep watching. Also, if you are new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Don't forget to hit that little red button down below and like the video if you enjoy it. I really would appreciate having you as a subscriber. I make videos on all types of things, mostly fashion and beauty, but every now and then I do a little vlog, a little traveling, and a little home decor update. So let's get started. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and let's go spray paint something. Okay, so this is my current desk situation. Do not judge me. Like I mentioned before, I have no storage. So it's a mess.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
Okay, I have removed everything. I basically just like played shuffle and like shuffled everything around, but it's in baskets. It's either going upstairs or it's staying down here, and it's going to be put on my desk. And then this is the desk situation. So I'm just going to take the black skeleton basically of the desk and we're gonna spray paint this. Let me show you the spray paint that I picked up. So I went to Michael's and I picked up some spray paint. So I only got 2 cans. I'm hoping that's enough. I mean, this is honestly like really skinny little pieces of metal that need to be sprayed. But I got the Krylon metallic brass. So I'm doing gold. I believe this was pretty affordable too. I think I got both cans for under 20 bucks actually. Have my receipt. They're $7. I have 2 of these. There's a lot of different brands to pick from, but the guy I talked to said that this was like one of the best. So I'm hoping that this will give me some just a more modern look with the desk instead of purchasing a desk, because we are currently purchasing so much furniture right now and so many different things for decor. So if there's anything I can repurpose, I'm trying to repurpose and save some money. So let's get started. I'm going to haul this stuff outside and start spray painting. Okay, so here is one coat. I say one coat loosely because I definitely went through it more than once and just went over sections if I felt like the black was still poking through. I'm probably gonna let this dry. It says 15 minutes it dries, and then 2 hours until you're supposed to move it. Yeah, I'll probably let it dry for about an hour and then switch to the other table. But yeah, you can see there's like definitely some splotchiness. It's kind of hard I don't know if you can see, the sun's so bright outside, but I think it'll work once I put all the decor on there and everything. It'll look decent. All right, guys, just to give you an update. So here are the desks. I think they're looking pretty good. I hope you guys can see this in the sun. So I'm about to give them about 2 hours to dry, and then I will bring them inside and start reassembling my desk area. By the way, this little spray paint situation probably took like a good hour and a half, so it was not easy, I'm not gonna lie. But I think the results are gonna be worth it for sure. And update, I did go through 1 and probably 3/4 cans of paint. So you definitely need to for something like this, and this is like barely any material. Like I could imagine if I had like a full wooden desk or something. Okay, this is the new rug I just got. I got it from overstock.com. I will make sure to definitely link it down below. So I wanted something that had like some pinky tones to it, and I kind of wanted like a southwestern, kind of like Santa Fe vibe, but it also is like very muted. So very, very muted shades. It's not a super fluffy rug. It's definitely more of like close-knit fibers. I think that this is already going to change the direction. This and I believe the gold accents are gonna look really good together. Right, Murray? Yes, he's already laying on it. Overstock.com, and I got it on sale. It was super affordable, so I will definitely link it.
Much better. Something about you feels so special.
Alrighty, ta-da! Here is the final look.
The other night.
Okay, so I'm gonna go through everything and tell you exactly what's here. So we have the gold painted tables, of course. This rug, like I mentioned before, is from Overstock. I will link it down below. This is a box that my girlfriend Christina got me, and I believe she got this in Michael's. So if I can find it on the Michael's website, I will link that. And that just holds like a couple of supplies. It actually holds like my planning stuff. So that's all in here. This is a little picture frame of a group of girlfriends in a book club that I'm a part of. So the frame I got at Urban Outfitters. It's really cool because it's magnetic, so you don't even have to like fit the picture in there perfectly. It just pulls apart and you can just drop any photo in there. And then these little bookends, I got these at Target a couple of weeks ago, so I think they'll still be there. I'll try to find those and put them down too. This is a candle that one of my friends got me. Tiffany got me this candle for my birthday, so I'm not sure where she got this from, but it smells really good. This stapler I got at Target, and I thought this was like a great addition. I wanted to find some gold scissors and a tape dispenser as well, because I know I had seen that in the past at Target, but I couldn't find them at my Target. So I'm gonna look online to see if there's matching tape and scissor set. And then this is a little marble block for holding notes. I got this at Target as well. This I got a while ago, so I'm not sure if that'll still be there. Then I got this at Target. Pretty much everything's from Target. Then I have my laptop, and I have this little gold marble case on it. So if I close it, it obviously goes well with the aesthetic. Then this candle, I can't remember where I got it from, but I believe I got it from Target a while ago. I haven't even lit it, but it smells so good. And it's a soy candle, which is really cool. So, you know, those are much healthier to burn in your home. And then this little gold cup, I believe, was another Target find. Hydrangeas, these are faux hydrangeas. I need to get like one more set so to make it a little more fluffy, but I got this from Amazon. Amazon has a great collection of faux flowers, so there's tons to find on here, so I will link these down there. And then it goes in this little marble vase decorated by Target. Not sponsored by Target, but I just spent all my money there. Then this is a lamp that I'm so excited about. I just picked this up yesterday. So this lamp, I just thought was a great addition. Obviously the gold base. I love the little palm leaves because I love like palm trees and like giant leaves like that. So I was going to, it kind of just goes along with like the tropical theme of like this, and then like the pineapple goes together. It kind of just makes sense. It has the white little lampshade, and then look inside the lampshade. That sold me. I was like, oh my gosh, a metallic gold lined lampshade. Like, this is so perfect. Then over here, I have this little W. I believe I got this at Michael's like 5 years ago. I have no idea where this is from, but I'll try and see if I can find something like it. The Post-it notes and the little binder clips in rose gold, plus these are all paper clips in rose gold or brass, white and black. These are all 3 from Target, gotten like a year ago. This is a little pull-out drawer. So as you can see, I have no storage under my desk. This trash can from Target, like probably 2 or 3 months ago. It's actually a bathroom trash can. It comes with a set. There's like a whole bunch of like gold, rose gold bathroom. So I want to put something in this corner to hide the cord situation. Right now I just threw my Louis Vuitton bag and box there. I thought that the color just kind of went well with it. So the only things left to get is something for the corner, maybe a pull-out drawer situation, and then obviously my chair. All right guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my office desk area transformation. Like I mentioned before, I will put everything down below. Some of the items are a little bit older, so if the stores that I bought them from don't still have them, I will search online and see if I can try to find links at other locations, other stores. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it turned out pretty well. It did take me a second to like put it all together. I'm kind of shocked at like how long it took, but I mean, I think it was totally worth it. It definitely is like night and day. So I love my new desk space. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye guys.